in the pandemic, in the last 6 months, you have maybe spent more time with your significant other than ever before. Like more time in 6 months than you had in 3 years prior.
Yes.
It's easy to kind of start realizing maybe this person I don't like.
Yeah. Maybe all those little things that I thought that just bothered me a little bit that I could let go. Maybe those are things that I can't let go now.
Now you go to work every day.
Yeah.
Not for a full day, but you get out of the house, which is good, right? Yeah, I think that's probably a good way to go. A lot of people are trying to make the spark come back alive if they ever had one. And one of the things people are doing is have at-home date nights.
Date nights. Yeah, another thing is the whole exercise routine together, which I can't understand that. I've had girlfriends that wanted me to work out with them, and I don't want you to see me like this. I'm not.
I tell you, it's a good thing to do. Partially, if one of you is getting a little out of control, it's a good way to get back on track.
Good way to support your significant other. Yes. Yeah, I can agree with that.
And it can be fun. I think that it gives you, and it's not like I'm leaving the house to go to the gym or she's leaving the house to go to the gym. You can say, listen, let's just go do this together. We can support each other. It is something, though, that can sometimes get frustrating because I don't know if you've ever, you've been married for quite some time, but has your wife ever been doing something and you want to tell her the right way to do it? Have you ever tried that?
No, Doug. I don't know what that. I don't know what that is. No, that's never happened.
If you do it like when someone has been working out for 20 or 30 minutes and they're sort of unhappy already, nothing good can come of that conversation.
Metal lives here with the Metal Zone. Tonight at midnight, in 3 full hours of ear-splitting, head-banging heavy metal with Scarpetti, the longest-running metal show in the universe is on your home of rock and roll. 94 HJY.
Say hello to a new way to ride Ripta. The Wave Smart Card and mobile app are here, making your Ripta ride easier and safer. Do you hate always having to carry the exact change whenever you ride? Wave goodbye to pocket change. Both the Wave Card and app work just like a reloadable gift card. You can use a secure online account to add just the value whenever you like. No exact change required. Have you lost out on prepaid fares because of a lost monthly bus pass? Not anymore, because with the Wave, you can finish a stored safely and accessible for your account 24/7. While we work at making things easier, we also focus on safety. At a time when public health is on everyone's mind, Rhode is extremely excited to deliver a completely contactless ticketing experience to our riders. Simply scan the Wave app or hold the Wave card near the reader and you're ready to ride. It's that easy. So what are you waiting for? Wave goodbye to pocket change and lost earbuds. Wave low to Ripta. Visit the Apple or Google App Stores to download the app or sign up for an account today at ripta.com/wave.
House Health Plan isn't the biggest Medicaid plan in Rhode Island, but we think that's a good thing. It means we can treat every member like they're a big deal, because they are. It's why we do everything we can to help members get the most from their plan, and it doesn't mean we aren't growing. In fact, we're always adding to our network so you have more health professionals to choose from. If you need a Medicaid plan, try Tufts Health Plan. We work hard to make the perfect fit for you. Learn more at madeforyouplan.com.
Have you heard the big news in furniture shopping? It's the all-new Oliver's Furniture and Coventry. Beautiful new furniture at prices you can truly afford. Oliver's has living rooms, dining rooms, mattresses, bedrooms, and more. And you own it for just $25 down, $25 a week. Spend $500 or more. Pay just $50 down, $50 a week. No credit checks, no interest, no finance charges. Come to the all-new Oliver's Furniture, center of New England Shopping Center, Coventry. Exit 7 on Route 95.
Down here, we fish with Mountain Dew because there's no rush hour. Just the rush of flying wide open on glassy water at 5 a.m. with your first dew in hand. Down here, there's no